All right, hopefully I got this down pat. Do I look good? Do I look good? I don't know. I mean, hopefully this is in line with everything. Well, I guess we gonna see.
My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it's right there next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. So as you can tell from my little intro to the intro, I'm doing this on my own. Classic is in school, where he should be, because it's only, I think it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Yes, it's 10:03 a.m. I have been up since 7. I took them to school, and then I had to go meet up with somebody to go actually get this shoe so I could do the sneaker review. So I'm doing this on my own. I'm using the ring light. I'm using a ring light that shout out to Jessica. She supplied this, always helping the channel out. So using the ring light, so I'm hoping that it's in line, like it's looking good or whatever. Hopefully, I think it's looking good. Because last time I tried to use, the first time, I had this ring light for over a month now. And the first time I tried to use it, I forgot which review it was for. It was for a sneaker review, and it was like so bad. And what I mean by that was, I think like the video got me like from right here and up. It just looked horrible. Like it was like I can't even. It looked horrible. But anyway, yo, we got another pickup early. This is actually a restock on something that I did miss. So I'm actually happy about this because if you haven't already, go check out my Air Jordan 4 Craft sneaker review. That's gonna be right there. I'm still not understanding which side, fully sure about which side the little bubble gonna pop up. I think it's this side and this side. Once I watch this video, I'll get it, but it's gonna be up top. Air Jordan 4 Craft. And the story behind that was I went to New Orleans. I took Classic's mother, Mache, to New Orleans for Mardi Gras for her birthday, and that's the weekend that the Air Jordan 4 Crafts came out, and I missed out on those, but I wound up getting them again because they did a restock on Nike. I missed out on these SeaFoams. Well, you already know what the shoe is because you see the thumbnail and everything, but I missed out on these because I think I was out of town again or something like that. I think I was out of town, so I missed out, but they came back around. Hey man, be patient. It's options out here, people. It's options. Don't think the world is over if don't think the world is over if you missed out on the shoe. You feel me? Like, it's options out here. So, anyway, enough talking. Alright, see the standard Air Jordan 4 box, black lid, red Jumpman, flight right there under it, cement print bottom half of the box. It reads, Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, white, oil green, dark ash. This is a size 10, which is equivalent of a men's 8.5. Suggested retail price, I think, was I don't know. I tell y'all that towards the end of the video. I think it was like, I want to say, I don't know. I can't even guess it. I don't think it was in the 200s. It better not have been 200. I paid below retail. Shout out to, I'm not gonna say his name, but shout out to my guy for helping me secure this. I paid below retail, so I know that. I ain't wrong with that. But like I said, size 10 women's exclusive, 8.5 equivalent to a men. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Again, like I said, I'm hoping everything look good because I don't know. The camera's set up and everything, so boom. Nothing special about the inside tissue paper. Nothing special whatsoever. And boom, okay. I don't mind these. All right, without further ado, we got the women's Air Jordan 4 SeaFoam. Boom. All right, so right off back, is it SeaFoam or is it SeaFoam? No, it's SeaFoam. Okay, I want to make sure I said it right. It's SeaFoam. SeaFoam. I'm looking right now. So bro, I've been going crazy with the fours, man. I've been going crazy. Just yesterday, I released a sneaker review for the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Pine Greens. Go check that out. I would say the video is up top, but I don't know how to put multiple little bubbles. I gotta learn how to do that. Like I at first I thought I did, but then I did for one of my videos. I did 3 of them where it shows like different video links to previous videos, but it only shows one. Like when I go into a YouTube studio, the one of them is blue, the other 2 is gray. When they're gray, that means they're not gonna show up on the screen. So if anybody know how to fix that issue, please help me out, because I'm trying to put multiple links in my videos so y'all can just click on a link instead of having to go through all my videos. But the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Pine Green video will be at the end of this video, so you don't gotta worry about that. So the crafts at the beginning is gonna be up there, and then the Pine Greens, they're gonna be at the end of the video, because I always put at the end of all my videos, I put a link to my most recent sneaker review. So that was my most recent one. I did it yesterday. So that will be at the end of this video. Go check that review out. Dope shoe. But anyway, enough talking. Got some information off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. If my voice sounds a little bit hoarse, is because I say this all the time, but I coach girls basketball, but I'm the head coach for a girls basketball team, but I'm also the assistant coach for my son's basketball team, male's basketball team. We had a game yesterday, first game of All-Star tournament. We won. I was yelling defense. So my voice is a little bit hoarse right now. So I'm not sick. So yeah. All right. Oh, suggested retail price was $200. I got it right there. So all right. It reads, the Air Jordan 4 Women's Oil Green is another forthcoming iteration that suggests to be part of the Jordan brand Spring 2023 lineup. According to sources, the new colorway of the Air Jordan 4 comes equipped with a white leather construction all throughout the upper with SeaFoam. SeaFoam, dark ash, and neutral gray accents placed throughout the shoe. The highlight green hue is placed on the waffle eyelids, inner line, midsole, and a Jumpman on the tongue. Retailing for $200. Look for the Air Jordan 4 Women's Oil Green SeaFoam at selected Jordan brand stocks on February the 9th. So yes, like I said, this drops February the 9th. I got this in a restock. It was either a restock or it was like where I got it from, the full I got it from, they got that shipment late. It was one of those two. I'm not too really sure. Don't care. But February 9th. So this is actually like a month late sneaker review. But hey, it is what it is. I'm here to give y'all content. I'm trying to give y'all... I'm not trying to go... It's 7 days a week. I'm not trying to go more than 4 days without posting a video. So sometimes it's going to be old stuff. It might be some Pokemon stuff. Might be just... I'm going to start to get on my vlog thing again. So, but y'all will be getting content because I love the support that y'all give me. Without y'all, my channel is nothing. I mean, I still will be doing my channel because I used to do comic book reviews and I was getting like 3 views. Like, I go back to my old comic book channel, Comic Book Thug, when I used to really be big in comic books. And from videos like 3 years ago, I still only got 5 views. So, I mean, I do it because I enjoy it. So, as much as I appreciate all the views, I'm still going to do it anyway. But anyway, like I said, these are the oil green / SeaFoam. See that? You see that? What they say? SeaFoam, that neutral gray-ish right there. So the SeaFoam is on the eyelids right there, and it's on the Jumpman tongue right there. I want the Jumpman on the tongue right there. On the inside, boom, got that. Got it on the Jumpman on the bottom right there. On the midsole here, with little hints of black. Got this black. Pull tab in the back is black with the oil green Jumpman on the back. That neutral gray right here around the toe box, toe cap down here. All white leather upper, white nuts right there with black underlining under it. Yes, very nice shoe. I like the shoe. Air bubble unit right there. White midsole. Yeah. More that's oil green down here with gray pods. This one's white right there. So white laces, no extra laces in the box. Very good shoe. I like it. It's very simple. I mean, straight to the point. I don't feel like going. I was gonna get the, you know what? We're gonna get it. It's a different green. I had to add this because I got so many expensive shoes in here. So hopefully y'all can see that. But I had to add this. So that's not just any old knob. That is a fingerprint knob. So, boom. Y'all hear that? Yeah. So let me get y'all, just so y'all can see. Just a quick comparison of the SB Jordan 4 collab of the green. Oh, it's such a clean shoe. It looks so big though. It's a size 9. It looks huge. It looks like it looks huge, but it is what it is. So, but yeah. So as you can see, the comparison of the greens. This is that oil green, like I said, that army green a little bit, and this is a pine green, more lighter. So I mean, y'all let me know. Like I said, go check out this review. The video will be at the end of this video. Go check it out, man. Show some love. Leave a like. It's already. I only put up there last night. I put up there last night, like no more than 10 hours ago, and it's already up to 200 views, which I know for a lot of veteran sneaker YouTubers or shoe-tubers, that's nothing. But for me, like, I like that. I'll take that. I mean, over 200 and not even a day in 24 hours, I'll take it. So probably, but if we keep the numbers up, by the end of this week, I'm probably going to be in 1,000. So I'm cool with that. I love people that enjoy my videos. But yeah, little comparison of them like that. So just so you can see it. So I mean, I like it though. Put this away. Classic not here to do his rate. I'm pretty sure Classic will give it like a low rate because he doesn't really like shoes with a lot of white because he know they're gonna get dirty quick. Oh, if anybody has an 8.5 and want to trade, it's a size 9. I'm looking for an 8.5. I'm just gonna keep this. It doesn't matter. So, but I'm saying, just thought I'd throw that out there. But yeah, 1 to 10, my grade, I'm gonna give it a 7.5. A lot of white, going to get dirty. It's a clean shoe though. I like the oil green with the black mix with the white. I like that. It's a very clean shoe. I would go 8, but it's a lot of white. Not a bad shoe at all. It is a cop for me. Anything over a 6 is a cop. 6 and lower, no. 6, I gotta convince myself to buy it. 5, I'm thinking about it, but I'm on the fence. Anything below a 5 is leave it in the store. Stealth 12s, Stealth 1s, stuff like that. Like I'm taxi, the black taxis, 12s, like stuff like that. It's like I don't need it. I know it looks like I get every single sneaker, and I used to get it. If it was a retro, I'm getting it. I didn't care about the color, but when I downsized, which I did, like I'm only at probably like 500 shoes now, but I was in the thousands. When I downgraded, I got rid of a lot of shoes that I was like, you know what, I'm never gonna wear. And I still got some shoes where I'm looking at them like, am I ever gonna wear this shoe? And I don't want what happened yesterday to happen. If y'all probably wondering what happened yesterday, I was wearing my Space Jam 9s, and I had these for a while. This happened while I was walking to go get my car. At first, it was just like, I just saw, put it back this way. At first, I just saw this. And I was like, oh, we got some soul separation right there. Man, I stepped down again, and it was boom. Blew up. This is what happened. So, I mean, this is inevitable, though. This is going to happen when you have a shoe for 10, 15 years. I'm not saying that's how long that is. I'm just saying soul separation happens. The glue stretches out. It gets thinner. So, wear your shoes, people. Wear them. Sell them. Trade them. Get rid of them. But enjoy the shoes while you got them because they're not going to last forever. You just can't just keep them in a case forever. Even some of the biggest collectors, they got them. They had to get them either restored or they just got them crumbling inside of a case where no one can touch it. Because if you touch it, probably turn into pixie dust. But anyway, enough talk, enough rambling. Yo, let me know what y'all think about the women's Air Jordan 4 SeaFoam, aka Oil Green. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, which is in the description below, and it's going to be next to me once again. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. They got the camera on a tripod, so I can't point up, but y'all know what it is. TKiccs and the whole Toon squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.